People asked for this, so this is my bike check with my Mutiny 2011. Just got some Odyssey Chase Hawk with some pair of United bar ends, just some simple glams. Got a Mutiny lifted stem with a semi-rod, I like the look of it. Got checkered front wheel with, with Odyssey Aiken and a JPEG, which rides like a beast. Got my new Mutiny frame, which is Loosefer, which is pretty awesome. Got a pair of demolition rod cranks. Got an Odyssey Burlington sprocket, which is great for like grinding and stuff. Got a Mutiny pivotal. Got a Rodsey tyre with a BSD, lost it now. There we go. BSD, red, female, lovely left-hand drive. Yeah, so that's all good, and that's laced to my stolen. Yeah, another JPEG there. I'll have a hub guard in a few days anyway, so yeah, that's my bike check for my 2011 Mutiny.